Hi viewers, this is Devashish. Today we are going to learn list. A single list may contains data type like integers, string as well as object. Lists are mutable and hence they can be altered even after their creation. Unlike sets, the list in Python are ordered and have a definite count. Let's take some example. Okay, how to create the list, empty list, and there is some functions available for this list. We will learn that one as well. Suppose we have a list one that contains one A, one, two, three. Also, it contains the list out of list inside the list. Okay, so we will see this separately after this example. Okay, so if you want to print first element, then it contains starting with a 0. Okay, and then you can print it. So let's see. So it is telling there is no list available for this one. So let's run this list one. Okay, you can see this is a. Okay, so we are fetching the data with the help of indexing, and suppose we want all the data okay, to be printed, then we can use the for loop here for in list list one, and then print I. So you can see this A123 is switching all one by one. Okay. Now suppose in this list we have another list, then how we can take that one? So now here it is printing first element. Okay. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then this is the 4. Okay, if you keep the 4, okay, then this will print all 4 and 5. Let's see how we will comment it out. Okay, now we will run this one. So now you can see this 4 and 5 it is coming. So what we need to do to access the 4, we will just put 0 here for this 0th element, and now we'll see what it is providing. Yeah. Now you can see we are able to access this 4. Okay. Next is what it is telling. Okay, now if you want to add some element here, okay, inside the list, then what we need to define? We need to tell, okay, in this list one, okay, in the 5th position, okay, we need this to be included. Okay, now then we will print list one. Let's see. It's telling out of index, so let's say 4. Now we can see the element is going to print this one 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. Okay. Now we have suppose, okay, there is accessing, we already seen this accessing and all. Next we have some list functions that we will see, list functions that will be useful when we are going we will start the Selenium session. Okay, list function. First we have is append method. Okay, let's see the methods here. Now suppose we have one list. Suppose we have list 1. Okay, and here if you want to add one element at the last position of this list, then we will use the append method. So if you come here and see method only works for addition of elements at the end of the list. Okay, so whenever you want to add some list at the last position of the list, then we will use the append method there. So let's see, suppose list 1 dot append, and then what we will append it, suppose we will append Thor. Okay, let's see if, and then once append happened, we will print the list 1. So now we can see the Thor has, this element has been added in this list. Next is we have an insert method. So what insert does, method allows to add element at the desired position. It means wherever you want. Okay, in this list, suppose you want to add some element inside the index of 0 or inside the index of 1, then what we need to do, we need to add, suppose list 1 dot insert at the index position. We need to give the index position. Suppose index 1 we are giving, and what we are going to add it, suppose we want to add adding element. Okay, now and then we will print list 1. Let's see, so here if you see what happens, 0 and 1, this is the one element and this element has been added, and then similarly this 1 2 3, okay, 1 2 3 has gone to the next position of this list, and this Thor also appended because we are appending here as well, so this Thor is also available here. Okay, next is we have extend. So we have extend method as well. This is the insert method. Now what happens, suppose you want to add the multiple elements on the end of the list, then you could very well do that. Okay, let's see what happens. Suppose you want to add list 1 dot extend, suppose you want to add 6 7 9 at the end of this list, and then you want to print this, then you can see this elements will be added on the list. So you can see in the last we are adding multiple elements. Okay, so when you so if you want to see that what it is taking in the input, this is iterable. Iterable means it is anything like iterable is a string, iterable is to false, iterable will be a list as well. Okay, so this all you can give inside of this method. Okay, you can pass that argument. Okay, So let's, so this is the list. Okay, next one more. Okay, some more function we have is count, max, mean, remove, pop, clear, sort, reverse length. Okay, so these all list functions available. You can read that and you can practice more and more. Okay, thank you guys.